You just found the 2023 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, stability control. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.